Kabylandi Cultural Creative Company Limited is a brand design enterprise that focuses on high-quality creative blind box dolls. We have more than 18 professional designers and foreign trade teams, which can quickly capture the changes in market demand. The company takes creativity, quality, and fun as the core and is committed to providing unique and collectible toy products for global consumers. Its products cover blind boxes, handheld, chain dolls, and other categories. Kabylandi's main IP Baby 3 is one of the soul of the brand. At the same time, we also have lovely fashion blind box series such as Lila, Little Sweet Teeth, and Happy Go Smiggle. Whether it is classic plush dolls or creative fruit and animal theme series, it is characterized by novel and lovely shapes and rich colors. We firmly believe that blind box dolls are not only toys, but also emotional ties, can accompany every growing moment. Kabylandi Associated Factory has a monthly production capacity of 1,105 employees, covers an area of 6,600 square meters, and has more than 40 related professional equipment. At the same time, it has passed the environmental protection evaluation and can efficiently and environmentally meet the market demand, allowing buyers to purchase at ease. We welcome brands, wholesalers, and agents from all over the world to consult and understand to achieve win-win cooperation.